Hello, I am Graham Honer, Head of Inventory, and I would like to take a minute to introduce you to Kärcher used equipment. Selling used Kärcher equipment has been an important part of our business for a number of years and will continue to be so in the future. To improve the experience, we've created a new website which allows you to see a full list of all the machines we have available for sale, sorted by machine category. All of the technical details, pictures of the actual machine, and condition can be found by clicking on any listing. The platform offers a wide variety of Kärcher machines that have been thoroughly tested and inspected to ensure they are in top working condition. More details on this process will be shared by Steve. As a Kärcher dealer, you're entitled to a 20% discount on the machine prices displayed. To place an order claiming your discount, please email KUE.UK@kärcher.com. Please include in the mail the item or items that you would like to purchase, your account number, and any PO number you would like us to use. A member of the professional support team will be in contact once the order has been processed. Purchasing a machine from Kärcher used equipment is better for the environment, as by giving these machines a second life, we are reducing waste and promoting sustainability.
Hi, let me introduce myself. I'm Steve Lalo, Kärcher used equipment manager. Just a little bit about myself. I have 17 years experience in the floor care industry as an engineer, team leader and now manager, with 6 of those years at Kärcher. My role at KUE is to manage the rework, restore of used machines back to full working order. Let me take a minute to go through the process of how this is done. Machines arrive at the KUE centre. They are then inspected and tested electrically, mechanically and cosmetically. History of the machine checked on the Kärcher OneView system to ensure hours and serial number are correct. Machines are deep cleaned and any cosmetic damage repaired and restored as best as possible. Repairs are carried out to wiring and any motors, electronics that have failed testing replaced. On battery operated machines, batteries are tested and replaced if they are under 85% of charge cycle usage or show any signs of low runtime. Any mechanical parts that are worn or replaced. All machines come with standard consumables replaced for new, that's brushes, suction lips, skirts, depending on machine type. Finally, once purchased, a part test is carried out.